So, I replaced my dead hard disk drive and couldn't believe how easy it was. And the fact that I replaced my hard disk drive with a solid state drive made no difference in any phase of the installation process at all. I went to the crucial website, entered my computer make and model, and the site let me know the compatible drives for sale. I chose a 500 gig solid state drive, which cost me $60. I removed all the screws. No special screwdriver necessary, just a number 1 Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are all off, then it's a matter of unsnapping the cover apart, finding a good spot to start. That took a little bit, but once I found it, I just followed along and unsnapped all the way around. I just used a plastic, rather blunt scraper so as not to scratch the case. In order to remove the hard drive, there are 2 white ribbons that need to be dealt with. One is attached to the hard drive, the other is just in the way. These ribbons are very thin. It's almost like holding a piece of Scotch tape. There's a small black lever that holds each one in place, hinge-like. Just flip one side and it releases the ribbon. The hard drive just lifts out. There are rubber-like brackets on each side that slip off. Just unplug the wire from the old drive and attach to the new drive. Slip back the rubber-like brackets and put the new drive in place and reattach the ribbons. So luckily, I had made a recovery disk on a flash drive a while back and actually remembered where it was. I plugged it in, turned on the computer, and bam, the computer booted up. Didn't have to press any F keys or configure anything. The computer just started right up and went to work installing Windows and did everything by itself. The whole process, from installing the solid-state drive to Windows opening up, took less than an hour. By the way, with this solid-state drive, the computer runs faster than it ever did. Super fast. What a pleasant experience.